Unfortunately, I've had to reset my audio setup. Something went wrong. So this is a test recording by way of further verification and of course practice. And I thought what I wanted to do was just run this video that I found. I've been been carrying out some general housekeeping bollocks, and I came across yeah, that's right, downloading something onto my YouTube. I came across my videos, and I found one I wanted to play on. There's a bugger. I want to play on OBS screen capture. Oh, I don't know why. Oh no, this is a short one. This is a short vid. I've got the longer one. I thought this was a longer vid. The longer vid. What a pity. When you're ready. Unexpected bollocks. Yes. So we'll have bought that. Well, bought that demo, and I have some Facebook posts I want to talk about. And yeah, that's right. That came from here, I think. Yeah, I've got a lot of general catching up to do by way of getting things in order on all my social media. I mean, blogs, WordPress, all of it. But anyway, practice. Get onto some posts shortly. As and when.